young, my dear students. Please follow the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19. The present situation, avoid going crowded places. Now I am here to teach you grammar. We have already studied 2 lessons. Then all of you studied the lessons well. Now let's move on to grammar section. Now I am here to teach you the sentences. You have already learned in lower classes. What do you mean by a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. That means in a sentence we can see there are different words. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. In English there are 4 kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. What are they? Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. There are 4 types of sentences in English. First one is declarative sentences or statements. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Listen once more. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. There are 4 kinds of sentences in English. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Then now I am going to teach you the declarative sentence. Listen all of you. Declarative sentence. Now I am here to teach you the declarative sentence. The first one, declarative sentence. What do you mean by a declarative sentence? Then most of the sentences in English are declarative form. Declarative sentence. For example, now I am here to write I am teaching. I am teaching. I am teaching. This is a declarative sentence. Next one is I like English grammar. I like English grammar. Next one, we are playing. We are playing. These are examples of declarative sentence. Then how do you identify a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence always begins with capital letter. A declarative sentence always begins with capital letter. A declarative sentence always ends with a full stop. A declarative sentence always ends with a full stop. For declarative sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, understand? How do you identify a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. The next one is a declarative sentence always begins with a subject. A declarative sentence always begins with a subject. A declarative sentence always begins with a subject and it is followed by a verb. It is followed by a verb. Then what do you mean by a verb? Verb means action words. All action words are verbs. All action words are verbs. Listen, a declarative sentence always begins with a subject and it is followed by a verb. What do you mean by verb? That you have studied in lower classes. All action words are verb. For example, cry, dance, jump, play, watch, write, think, etc. That means all action words are verbs. For example, here I have written I like English grammar. Like is verb. Next one, I am teaching. This one verb. Next one, we are playing. This one is the verb. That means all action words are verb. Then again I am going to write some examples on the board. Then first one is I is the subject, this one is the verb. Here also I is the subject, this is the verb. Next one we is the subject, this is the verb. Then again I am going to write another example here. Priya danced well. Priya danced well. Listen, which is the subject in that sentence? Priya. Priya is the subject. Which is the action word in this verb subject sentence? Danced. Priya danced well. That means assertive sentence or declarative sentence always begins with subject and it is followed by a verb. It always begins with a begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Then what do you mean by declarative sentence? Declarative sentence always begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Declarative sentence always begins with subject and it is followed by a verb. Okay, understand? For example, I love you all. Which is the subject in that sentence? I. Which is the verb in that sentence? Love. Okay, understand? That today we have seen types of sentences in English. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. There are 4 types of sentences in English: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. First one, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence always begin with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Declarative sentence always begins with the subject and it is followed by verb. But listen once more. Declarative sentence always begin with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. It always begins with a subject and it is followed by a verb. Okay, all of you understand? Listen once more. There are 4 types of sentences in English: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Today we have learned as a declarative sentence. Begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Begins with a subject and it is followed by a verb. So very easy for you to identify a declarative sentence. I think you all of you understand about the declarative sentence. So do one thing. Write 5 declarative sentences. How can you write a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence begin with a capital letter, ends with full stop. Declarative sentence begin with subject and it is followed by a verb. Okay, understand? Listen, I think all of you have got this grammar test. The first lesson is sentences. Then some rules are already given in your grammar test. Don't be confused with all these things. Now you listen what I have explained today. Okay, all of you understand? If any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all.